guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If your WhatsApp voice message or audio message is not working, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So first thing first, head over to your Play Store or App Store and then here search for WhatsApp. At times when your application is not updated, you might face small issues. So if you see open here, that means your application is already updated. In case you see update, select update and update your app. Now in here, head over to settings, scroll all the way below and select apps. Here also search for WhatsApp and then search. If you see application, you have to open it. So go ahead, open your WhatsApp, scroll below, select storage and clear the cache. Now go for permissions. Make sure camera, contacts, audio, location, every permission is given. If it's not, tap onto it, select allow while using the app or ask every time. Now lastly, select force stop and then OK. Go ahead, restart your device, launch your WhatsApp, try again, and it will fix your problem.